Hello, welcome to Beyond One Way. Have you ever wondered what you can do with a can of coconut milk? How about making these delicious coconut cupcakes with only 4 ingredients? Preheat oven to 350 degrees and toast some unsweetened coconut flakes until they are golden brown. Here I have 1 box of super moist French vanilla cake mix with 2 eggs. You can also skip the eggs. The cupcakes will come out slightly denser than with eggs, but they will not be as dense as pound cake. And they will still be delicious, I promise. 1 can of full-fat unsweetened coconut milk to replace the oil and the water that a typical cake mix requires. Mix them for 2 minutes. Sprinkle those toasted coconut flakes on top to give extra coconutty taste to the cupcakes. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes or until they are done. These cupcakes are soft, moist, and sweet. You don't even need icing. Give this a try and let me know how you like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Happy eating and see you next time.